All right, Ryan Gustafson here and Jason Reese. He's cool. We want to talk a little bit about why we care so much to make our products in America. If you look behind me right here, you've got all custom powder coat, all made in-house, thanks to Jason getting the equipment done and everyone trained and operational. We did it in record time for the city of Austin with the wonderful permitting process that they have. To me, it means everything because I've been through the times where we first started to see the projection screen industry commoditize and everyone started pushing everything offshore. In that time frame, I built the first sewing machine that ran up and down a rail so we didn't have to push our screen material sewing and snapping and things of that nature offshore. Today, being able to powder coat in-house and do everything in-house and actually newer technology and newer equipment that allows us to be a lot more efficient in-house is now available. So when you see the flag flying behind us, no matter what happens with all the different tariff stuff going on and everything these days, we're starting to see compression even in the United States on raw materials going up. So we're going to show you what we're doing about that. Jason, I'm going to let you take the lead and let's go show them your new toy.
All right. So I think one of the best things that a manufacturer can do for their end user and for their customer, in our case the dealer, you, is to innovate not only the products, but also the machines that manufacture those products. And since I've been here, we have upgraded our saws now 3 times, and we're going to show you a pretty incredible piece of machinery. Some people say it doesn't even look like a saw, but it's pretty awesome.
I walked by it the first time.
So prior to this machine, all of the cutting processes were pretty manual. So even though we were upgrading in quality of machine, we still had guys that had to load a piece of material, make one cut, flip it over, measure, make the second cut, and they did that times 8 pieces. Now we can load multiple pieces of frame or trim and do both cuts at the same time, which means our tolerance from piece to piece is 0.
That's cheating.
So once we got the saw up and running, our engineers and our facilities team spent a bunch of time jigging up the machine. You'll see these custom machined aluminum pieces here. Their whole job is to capture the pieces of frame and trim so that everything is tight in there so that when we make our 45s or our 90s, the precision is spot on.
Talk about how this whole thing travels up and down the gantry.
Okay, so our system has work orders. All the work orders have dimensions for cuts. Prior to this, we had to basically manually feed those dimensions in. This machine allows us 4 different ways of getting the information into the machine. So I can scan it in with barcoding. I can push it in from our back-end system. I can load it from recipes for stock sizes, or I can plug in a USB storage device and have it run from that. And so when I push something into this machine, it automatically adjusts the cut head from 45 to 90 or back, or anywhere in between, and pushes the mobile head down to the proper location, giving us the right length.
Super cool. This is just one more way we're going to keep things made in America here and keep pricing aggressive with all the new innovative products that we're bringing to market. So we appreciate your feedback and your support at Screen Innovations.